Tahun ajaran 2027-2028, bahasa Inggris menjadi salah satu pelajaran wajib untuk murid SD. Sudah siapkah kita? Sudah cocok belum cara kita mengajar anak SD? Did you know that children learn English differently from adults? According to Pinter in 2006, teachers need to understand this. First, children learn as a whole. They learn by listening, speaking, moving, and playing. Second, their reading and writing skills are still limited. So use pictures, songs, and short activities. Third, children understand topics close to daily life. For example, family, school, food, and animals. Most of all, children learn best when learning is fun. Imagination and movement help them learn better. With the right way, children enjoy learning English. Follow for child-friendly English teaching tips by subscribing my YouTube channel, English Chamber.